The branch line that served Bembridge from Brading via St Helens operated successfully for over 70 years under a number of owners until taken over by British Rail in 1948. Dwindling passengers ensured the line finally closed in 1953. The only visible signs of its existence nowadays are the track bed and St Helens Station building, which has been converted into a private residence, with a sun lounge extending along the whole length of the platform. This film, taken in 1936, gives a rare glimpse of the end-of-the-line turntable, which had to be used instead of points because the station area was too small. In the railway's heyday on summer holiday Saturdays, the turntable revolved continuously.